All right, traders, it is the 24th of July, 2017. My name is Jameson. Welcome to Braintree Trading. Copper is bullish. I was bullish here on copper on this kind of accumulation phase. So this is when you should have been a buyer or on this back test. So as we have a sign of strength and we back up to the edge of the creek here, we back test, we confirm this prior level of resistance at support, and then we rally away. That's where we want to buy. Kind of called a pullback. I thought this pullback would be a little bit deeper, but bulls are anxious here, and it found support along the lower trend line of the bull ascending channel. So this essentially is a difficult new entry for copper longs. I still think that we trade into $3.10, but I wouldn't, from a trading perspective, buy into resistance here. I can't advocate buying into resistance of the upper trend line or resistance here of this actual trading range. There's the potential that we start to see some distribution here. The problem is this reaccumulation, or is this just a longer-term distributive structure that breaks back down, finds buyers, and then continues to rally into 310? The reason I say so is that we do have a lot of buyers here. This very well could be a buying climax. Automatic reactions, secondary tests. And then, there's a little up thrust here. You can see there's no buyers. And then we break, we wash out this level of support here on a lot of supply. There's a sign of weakness. But then there's no breakdown here. We actually, form a spring. We find buyers on the lower trend line here, and then we rally higher. Very bullish. The bearish thesis would be that we rallied higher on less volume. So the fact that we reversed quickly suggests this is an upthrust, so a possible upthrust after distribution. But there is no, in other words, we have an upthrust after distribution, but supply was unable to overcome demand. Wasn't followed by a sign of weakness. I would like to see a sign of weakness and then rally higher last point of supply, and then a breakdown, and then we can buy that weakness. We didn't. We saw some distribution, resulted in reaccumulation, and then now we're retesting highs here. But we can see here that we're rallying higher right through here, right, on contracting buying. And then even on this 60-minute session here that we have this evening, there's not as much participation. So we may have some decrease in participation in highs that may break down and pull back to support, which may provide longs an opportunity to buy support and sell in the resistance. Otherwise, this just remains a difficult trade, and we have to look for an opportunity for prices to break down and provide a lower entry, kind of a short-term counter trend to participate in the bullish trend into that $3.10 price objective.